What can a stranger do with just your phone number? They can find your operator, your city, whether you're a spammer, and even who you are. In this video, I'll show you a tool that digs all of it up with a single command. And you don't need to be a hacker to understand it. Think of your phone number like a name tag you wear everywhere. Every service that ever stored it wrote something down about you. Phunter is an OSINT tool that goes hunting with that number. It finds your phone operator, the location your number belongs to, the type of line, and how trusted that number is. It even checks if a service like Amazon is linked to it. Getting it running is easy, like installing an app. It's written in Python, so you clone the code, install a few small packages, and you're ready. No confusing setup. Now hand it a phone number. It's like giving a hunting cat a scent to follow. You type the number with its country code, and the hunt begins right away. In a few moments, a profile starts to fill in. The operator, the region, the line type. And if the number is known for spam, a red flag shows up loud and clear. That's the part that protects you from scam calls. There's more. You can feed it a whole file of numbers at once, so you can check a list instead of one by one. You can ask it to verify a number against Amazon directly. And with one more option, it tries to find the owner of the number. People use this in real life to check a number before they trust it. A mystery caller, a message from a stranger, a number on a job posting. A quick hunt tells you if it's a scam or the real thing. One important rule: only run this on your own phone number or numbers you have written permission to test. Looking up someone else's number without permission can get you in serious trouble. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.